Yo, guys. My bro, you're gonna be here now since it's holiday. Please like the live. Can you guys hear me? Hey man, better than no dates, you know? Okay, I checked it now. The volume is fine. It's perfect. The volume is perfect. We can start. Why is there no enemies? Oh, because okay. Let's start, guys. Let's start. Let us start. Okay. I just want to set my timer for myself.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. Number 6.
Okay.
Are sanctified.
Welcome to episode 22, Building Smarter Enemies, Part 3.
Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the
You
truth.
see? Welcome to episode 22, Part 3. In this part, we will be. Let me just get my book out. Okay, wait. So let me show you guys what I did yesterday. So we had an issue before. The enemies would just constantly attack you back to back to back to back. There was no stop. Alright? So I added in an energy attack. Just have to make myself readable. So they will start attacking him, right? Okay. It's gonna keep hitting me now. Right? Look, where is it going? Where is it going? Oh shit, look there. Oh shit, that's cool. So then I can do this with any character, even Dante. So what's gonna happen now is that when they lose health, I'm gonna die before this happens. Okay, I'm gonna die. Why is he standing still? So what should be happening? This guy has a lot of energy, this Dante. Okay, there he goes. There he's charging his key. You see? Then he's coming back. They're both charging their keys. Okay. Look there. You see, now the point of today's episode is to make it that all of them have their own unique. So that was yesterday. Tonight, I'm sorry I'm burping. Tonight we're going to add some more nicer effects. So very important. Let me get to the let me get to the okay. So it's gonna be 2. Okay, so let's go to here. There's no transformation here. Here's a damage. Oh, here's a damage position text. Where's this thing? There it is. Just use this. Will this work now? When you charge the key, okay, blue. This guy asked how to get red. How to get red, bro? What do you want to get rid of? Are you saying that you can't see you guys now? The position is going to be there. Wait, what is this thing called? There's no game object here. That's fine, I'll just put it in here. Game object. What is the game object going to be? It's going to be the damage. No, this is going to be the, I guess the
word is truth.
Text.
For their sakes, I sanctify myself.
Floating text. Is position? Okay. This will be a transform. Okay. Let's go to the original enemy. Oh. Okay. Let's do this again.
Sanctify them in the truth. The word is truth. For their sakes, I sanctify myself.
Okay, interesting.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sake, I
Okay.
sanctify myself. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sake, I sanctify.
I did this already, so I'm gonna mark it green. Okay, and then this one, the second goal, and this one. The second goal is to show VFX, and then show an eye, and then the last one is going to be SFX. Okay. I'm trying to think that I want to do something, but like I see it's not possible. Oh. I wonder why they freeze. Oh yeah, I think I know why. see they freeze. I have a question. Oh shit, you're supposed to be in there.
Sanctify them in the truth. For their sakes I sanctify myself. Ascusa de desidero logos o sosalifia esti. Kadam viene mafton.
Extraction route open. Leave when you're ready.
Feel free to ask any questions, by the way. Don't just watch me, guys. I'm live streaming because I want questions. I don't want to live stream like a weirdo by myself. So please ask questions. Where's my phone? Ah, it's recording.
Kadam viene mafton.
Um, okay. Let's now.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. Number 6. I sanctify myself. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth.
Okay, now I wonder why this is like this. This is
Myself.
not gonna work so well. It's not gonna work so well.
Myself.
Yeah, you see, because it's tilted.
Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true.
think I have an idea. I have an idea. I'm going to delete this folder. Same thing, pick this guy. And put it here. So 0. So a lot smaller. Okay. And then see what this looks like. It's not what I was looking for. I don't think this is good, man. I guess it's fine.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. Number 6. I sanctify myself. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth.
See what this looks like. Okay.
Myself. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true. Sanctify them in the truth. in the truth. Your word is true.
I only have one issue now with this. Is that it shouldn't be part of just because
For their sakes. My Savior. My Savior. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true. For their sakes, I sanctify myself. Your word is true.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sake, I sanctify myself. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sake, I sanctify myself.
Oof. Okay. So now I need to fix the energy bar of the just to not show the whole thing, and that is a good idea to do it here by my attacks. Or my actually my attack. I think it is this one. It has my attacks because it has my energy
Sanctify them
here.
in the truth.
So I'm gonna go here.
Your word is truth.
I'm going
For
to.
their sakes, I sanctify myself.
I'm just looking for something quickly.
Κύριες αυτός είναι κάτω λόγους. Ίσως αλυσάστε. Εγώ άνοιξε με αυτόν.
Yo. You smash that like button, bro.
An extraction is available if you wish to leave.
Sanctify them in the truth.
Whoa. So sorry.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth.
Private
their sakes,
float, not
I
float.
sanctify myself.
The world, but element and not what is my HP. Okay. Now I need to. This is everything done here, right? And this. This is not being done. It is. I hope it's being done.
Here's after Senikata Yos. Isso sa isaste.
So is update bar now a
One semafton.
okay, so this update bar. So update bar still stays the same. Yo, where the hell is this value being set? Set visible as false. Where is this?
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For the sakes, I sanctify
Yeah.
myself. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Myself.
Shit.
Myself. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true.
Ah, damn it, man.
Sanctify them in the truth.
I know it's wrong, yeah.
Sanctify them in the truth.
I know it's wrong.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true.
I know it's wrong, yeah. It's called being fucking lazy. That's what's wrong. Okay. Okay. I just set this in here. This is not a mono behavior, by the way. This is a system that's serializable. Okay, and then I need to call this thing here. Private what? So this is my HP. Okay. Now let's add in all of these things. Let's add in all of these things. I say public. So this thing says HP bar or this thing is equals to the scale, which is 1. That's so stupid. But it's actually like, okay, so I'll say here is this is the bar, and then these must all become public now. Well, I don't think they need to be public yet. Let's leave this. Let's say this is now, this is public void reset bar scale. And then I'm going to say, yeah, no, that's the local scale. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Right. Okay. We can add this in here. Okay. And then this. I don't know why this is here. I don't know why that was there. Stupid. Now let's go down here. Stupid. So here comes math. So this I'm going to put in here. Wait, yeah, put this in here. And this is gonna be a public. It's gonna be a public. Public update bar. Okay, and then I'm going to have to give it some value. So it wants, and let me just go here and look for these items. So we have these. So I'm gonna say int max health, and then int current health. Max value. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, and this is the, not the health, but the current value. Test it. Okay, and this also needs to be renamed to
Sanctify them in the truth.
okay.
Your
Now we have
word
the
is
HP
truth.
bar here, which is this
For
thing.
their sake, I sanctify.
Okay, and then the show bar again.
Sanctify them
So
in the
this is
truth.
just going to be simple. I'm going to
Your
save my
word is
HP
true.
sprite bar, and then it just wants my
For
max
their sake,
health and my current health.
I sanctify.
And then I just wanna show this bar. Take it out here. To show the bar there. The root is just gonna be this root. And then there's one more issue here, which is where here is going to be the same. There's one more issue, which is where, yeah, show the bars false.
Sanctify them
I'll
in
just
the
public it.
Your word is truth.
Okay, that's it. Now we need to test it. I need to test it. Where am I going to put this information? Let's put it in the controller. So I'll say is the empty object, and I'll call this my HP strike bar. And then we add the world bar. Wait, what? It's an issue. There isn't. Oh. Oh, I forgot. Here we go. So we are going to, here's the bar, here's my root, here's my bar. Let us test. Very important. We do not want to assume anything. This health is missing. Okay, it's working. Now I'm going to use check the normal enemies if it will work as well. Okay. 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 Okay, I like where this is going. Okay, that one's health didn't show up. It's a bug. So their health does not show. So when they are, but now my question is, on enable, doesn't it reset the passcode and then update the bar?
Sanctify them in the truth.
Extraction route is open. When you're ready.
For their sakes I sanctify myself. Ascusa decidieron logos osos αλήθεια εστί. Ανάγκη με αυτό.
Okay, it's not a bug. It's not a bug. I kind of want to get over this now because I have other stuff to still do.
Extraction is ready. Continue fighting or withdraw.
Okay, it's working. Now for the energy. I'm gonna want to do the same. So it says here on my enable, so I'm gonna first have to add in my bar. I'm gonna just try and copy everything from the health script. Just call this. And just move aim string header. I'll call this the okay, and then the energy. Just right bar. So it says here on my enable. Do I have an enable already? I do not. I have to reset my scale. Okay, so it's here. So here we do this. Then we do this. Right, I'm just gonna copy this. I'm actually going to not be stupid. I'm gonna rename this back to this, just so that this works. I also want to rename this to current energy, just so that there is consistency. The next thing that I have to work on is whenever this thing gets used. So here, right, you should update the bar. As soon as you've done something like that, you should update the bar. Nice energy, current energy, right? And then there was one more. When you die, yeah, I guess, but there's no on die here, is there? Again, because it should, when it dies, it should go off. I think this is gonna be an issue now because this is not gonna work. This is not gonna be a problem because this is not. See here where the energy cost is, you should also update your bar. I'm gonna rename you to the energy spot bar. I'm also realizing now that this is not going to work. I'm I'm gonna have to be stupid about this now.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sake, I
Because
sanctify.
the thingy is not gonna have this.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sake,
Okay.
I sanctify.
Holy clap! Face reveal. Hey man. How are you?
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. This is for their sake.
Okay, there's no dogs. I'm gonna cook in a episode for long. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. That's good. But now, why is it so little? I understand. Okay. Okay, so this is an issue now because a there is an issue there. Let's go to it and try to understand what's the issue. I don't know what the issue is. Within one. Okay, you see, that's that issue. So what should I make this do? You know why this is the case? Because these two things are not the same. Because these two things are not the same. Because these two things are not the same. This is not one. As you can see, if I had gone in, yeah, and I changed this, okay, paste, right, this can go back to one, right. But now, as soon as I start moving it, do you see what happens? You see what happens? But I have another one now. Okay. Okay. Why are you like this now? Oh, I know why. Okay. Okay. And now when I do this, okay, looks more decent. So this must become the ball.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sakes, I sanctify myself.
Okay. None of these bars will look. Yep, look, yeah. Okay.
Here's after Shanikagayos.
Okay.
This was
And then I can actually lift this up slightly higher.
He wants some after.
And got it back on. Actually, what is Kumis? 0.56. Okay, so okay, so let's see. Okay.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sakes, I sanctify myself. Sanctify them in the truth.
Let us see how this works.
Sanctify them in the truth. Myself. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true. Water focus, firstborn. For their sakes.
Okay. There's a bunch of issues that I'm discovering, but none of them matter at the moment. When do I plan on releasing? I think when the game is done, bro. And I have something that's bug free to release. Let me ask you this. Does the game look good enough to release? Curious. Yes, it does. That's cool, I guess. There's nowhere near done, bro. Let me say, yeah. The game is. I think the game is like 30% done. I think. I might be wrong. It might be like 20%. Okay. This. Okay. Let me go now into the sprites. Sorry guys, I'm just looking for something quickly. What is this now? Okay, this is what I'm looking for. What's the graphics? No, it's not what I'm looking for. Come on, where is it now? Here it is. I see I have another aura. What is this? Is this the same? It's the exact same. Okay. And then my other question is I have animation. Okay. So I have a controller here.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth.
No.
For their sakes.
Let us
I
now
sanctify
go
myself.
back to my preferred. Okay. Okay. I guess I'll have to rebuild this thing from scratch. Okay, this is the background. So I'll say
Quieres
Okay.
afushanicar de Deus.
the outer will be
Isso sai saste. Iwan semafton.
the inner will be VFX. And then the foreground. No, the inner is not the inner, that's the foreground. Wait, what is the difference here? I'll make them the same. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, now let us now let us try and reconstruct this thing. The background. outer. Which one did I select, bro? The last one. Yeah, that fits perfectly. The inner. Like I said, I think this is the inner. And then this is the foreground.
For their sakes, I
Now,
sanctify
I'm wondering why
myself.
all of these are.
Ascusane desiderio logos osos alicia esti. Canapien emafton.
Yeah, those are fine. No, those are fine. Just the outer now. Okay. So, what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I see I have a script on this bad boy. I want to remove these components because they don't matter in any way. So I see I have to rebuild from scratch. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. This does matter. Okay. Now, I have a question for you. Yay. So where is this? This is called Aura Idol.
Canapien emafton.
Okay, now where's my okay? Ooh, here we go, here we go. Here we go, 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 here we go. Guess what? None of this is showing. Missing sprite. You fucking kidding me, bro? Because none of these are working now. I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea. Okay. So I'm not gonna play the animation for now. I see none of this is anyway useful, so I'm gonna just delete the animation. Right, and then you're just gonna, there's no animation now, so you're just gonna show me this. Now let's save this. Now I want to see what my game characters will look like. Put them on. Go to the prefabs.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is
Right.
truth. For their sake, I sanctify
Okay, but
myself.
come on.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sake, I sanctify myself.
Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna spawn this, and then once it's done, it needs to return back to the original. Okay.
Sanctify them in the truth.
But now I want to add my
Your
spreadsheet.
word is truth. For their sakes, I sanctify. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. Your word is truth. For their
Okay,
sake,
let's just painstakingly do this. So let's say one. Let's do it like this. 1, 1, 4, so every 4 frames. 8. Let me figure it out. There we go. My question to you now is, why the hell are you so small? Here's the background. Recharge. Oh, okay. I understand completely. I made a dumbass mistake. Okay, so what I should have done is I should have done this and say this one. So, yeah. Yeah. Wait, no man. Do I have to add these things in manually? Yo. Okay. Now my second one is guess you're just gonna do these hand by hand. Hand by hand like this. 1, 2, three. Okay, so okay, this one is missing. It's a lot still missing, like the inner, for instance. The inner and these guys are the same, so you can actually just copy and paste this. And then delete this. Okay, and the last one is the foreground. Okay, so you just put this guy 1,
Sanctify them in the truth.
2,
Your word is truth. Number 6.
3.
I sanctify
There we go.
myself.
So now we go back to the scene, and if I play this,
Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify
Yeah.
them in the truth.
that does not look bad. Okay, I actually want to add something. I'm gonna add it to the game, yeah. So I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add this guy, yeah. I'll call it UI. No, not a mask. It's the shadow source. Evil.
Sanctify them in the truth.
Yeah.
Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. word is true. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth.
This is just gonna show more detail. Do you see? That's just so much better. I will do it. It just looks so much better than if this was not here. Do you see? Emphasizes it more. So I'm going to copy this. I actually want just that. Copy. Okay. I'm going to say in isolation. Duplicate. Paste the values. I'm gonna call the e-ball. I see I did miss one crucial fact. I didn't check what the I did not check what this thing was. Let's just check what it is. Am I satisfied with this? This man says, "Oh wow, that's your favorite character." To me. Who's my favorite character? Okay, I don't know say I'm not a fan, but it's just too light now. I think that's a sweet spot. There's ambiance, creates like a little ambiance. Right? Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so what is this? I'm 50. Okay, and I could call this the okay. Is this part of it now? So, okay, now I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so yeah. So I just have to write down. Let me go get a pen quickly. Do I not have one now? Okay.
Your word is truth.
What I'm doing right now, I'm just writing out what is Tumi's. Okay, have it. Now let us just create the script to spawn this thing in the world. Let's spawn it in the world. Let's first of all create a pool for this thing. Let's first of all create a pool.
Sanctify them in the truth.
This is now the aura. The aura pool. The aura. 10 is fine. 5 is like that. 10 is yeah 5 actually. Okay. Just gonna reset this. And then add in my pool. Public object pool, water pool. Okay. this. Spawn the aura VFX, spawn it here, and then the 8 seems. Let us see now and say spawn this here, that's fine. And the parent is the position, I guess. Okay. So yeah, that's fine. So now I'm seeing the only place where this thing will be called will be in the character attacks. Yeah. Here I'll spawn it here. So I'll say VFX controller dot. Actually no, that's charging the key. So public void animation event spawn aura. Okay, and then we're just gonna VFX controller instance dot spawn the aura. Now the only problem is where is the transform for this. So I'll say aura transform position. Now this is just something very basic, very quick. Very quick, very basic.
Sanctify them in the truth.
So I have to give this
The
guy,
word is
I'll
truth.
say new.
For
I'll
their
say
sakes, I sanctify myself.
This should work in actuality. This should work. So let's see if this works. Oh no. Delete these guys. I have to write a lot of stuff down because there's a lot of stuff that's actually broken, yeah. And I say broken, I don't mean like maybe I'm using the wrong word.
Extraction is active.
Okay, come, use your energy.
Keep fighting.
Here we go. Ah, that's so cool. Look here.
Hackers are moving into the area. Expect heavy resistance.
Yes, slightly worrisome.
Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is truth. For their sake, I sanctify myself. Sanctify them in the truth.
Okay.
Your word is truth. For for their sake. I sanctify myself.
So can it be possible that I get a game object? So the game object I'm going to call here is my, so I'm going to say here serialize private game object. I'm gonna call this the aura effects object.
Your word is truth. It's for their sakes. I sanctify.
Now I'm just gonna make sure that this is gonna retrieve, it's gonna return a game object, and then I'm just gonna return my effects. Return the effects. Just also wanna say here that I also need to give it a size. So I'm gonna say it's going to be the size of the aura. I'll just put the size in here when you spawn it. I'm so happy that you are a fan of the game. I appreciate you. Appreciate you so much, man. Let's say here, so let's say FX. Let's go. Now let's go here. Since this is tuning, I don't like that this is like this. This is becoming a mess now. It's fine. Give me this 1.31. So the same thing is gonna happen now. It's just the UI should just it should look better. Okay. I don't know this bug. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. I really do. Mr. Gibson. Can't wait to hear you guys play the game. And then that health goes to 0. And then it circles around the player for some reason. There we go. It's not done. Gonna go and boom. Whoa! Whoa! Damn! So this is not right. That's not right. That is not right. That is cock funny. Look at this. Look at this. And this is gonna stay in the game now. Look at it. This is the speak about Super Saiyan God name, bro. This is what you call Super Saiyan God. Look at Tumi. He's so strong. He's so strong. He's so strong. Is that gonna go away now? Yeah, it went away. Okay, now my question is, why did that happen? Why did that happen? You guys like that? I think I know why that happened.
Sanctify them in the truth.
Let's just let that happen again.
Your word is true.
I think I know why that happened.
I sanctify
Okay.
myself.
Is it supposed to be the local scale? It's local scale. Okay. Yeah, it's gigantic.
Sanctify
Okay, let's just inspect Hunter. Yeah, here's my aura. So this is 1-1, and this is 1-1. My question is, why is this? Well, if I put it outside, it's still 1-1. Is it? It's still 1-1. Okay, I'm so confused. I think now if I do it again, it will be fine. Let us see. Let's do this. Come now. It comes back to me. I hate that it does that. Here we go. Okay, it's still Super Saiyan God. It's still Super Saiyan God. Super Saiyan Goku. No, this is not helping me. Oh, of course it's Super Saiyan Goku because look, yeah, man. It's in here. Okay, so but now if I say don't do it like that, what do I do now? So let's say half of that. Or third of that. Let's divide the size into 3. I don't know why I have to do. Let me leave that and make this scale quickly. Not the local scale. It only wants local scale. It only wants to give me access to the local scale. So let's then divide these by 3. Let's divide them by 3. Okay. Let's try again. Let's see if we get Super Saiyan Goku again. Okay. Let's go. Beat me up, my guy. Beat me up. Let's go. I noticed something as well. Let me just make my note. The enemies. Okay. Oh, this is better. This is way better. It's Super Saiyan Goku, but it's way better. It's way better. Okay, so but the only thing I do not like here is that I have to go smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. Could it then be? Those guys are not 1-to-1. So let me go back to the effects in here. See now, if you start messing on these guys, I can revert all of these to. Okay, let me just do this. If I say 1, see now, I need this guy. Okay, now let's see what this does, what this looks like now. Come now, attack, bro, attack. I do not have time for you, attack. Come now. Okay, now he's gonna do it, I just have to follow him. Follow him, he's gonna jotter around, I hate that so much. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Ooh. That is not
Sanctify
good.
them in the truth.
I know why that's the case.
Your word is truth.
If I go here and I look for that thing, you see
For their sakes,
these
I
guys.
sanctify myself.
Okay, oh damn. Can I do it like this? And then say all of these guys, move your asses up. Come now. Yeah. Okay. So now let us go back to tuning and adjust these again. Let's adjust these again. I'm gonna say 1-1. I'm gonna say, but it shouldn't be 1-1 though. Multiply it with 2. No, multiply. Not multiply, divided. Yeah, I will multiply with 2. Ugh, no man. What's happening here? 96. That's 96. And this is 80 what? 86, 87. Okay, no, obviously this would have been such a mistake now. Luckily I caught it. Let's see what it looks like. See what it looks like. I actually just want to make a note as well. When recruiting.
I sanctify.
Let me just pause here because I want to make this note. When recruit, but
Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth.
when recruiting.
Myself. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Sanctify them in the truth. Your word is true. For their sakes.
Okay. Made my notes. What's happening? He's freezing. That's what's happening. Come attack, bro. There we go. That's so cool. There we go. Okay, I loved it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. only thing I don't love is that that thing is like above me, bro. Why is it above? Man. Well, that should be like the same as the thing. It's not nice. Okay, that's not an issue. That is truly not an issue. Okay, so now let us just create another to-do list. Let's return the object. Let's return the object. So now let's program this first. Try to understand what am I doing. So here's the pool, and you want to return it like that. That's why I grabbed it actually. That's why I grabbed it. So like when you end the key here, so I'm just gonna say here. So it's gonna be a VFX controller dot instance dot my aura pool dot the return object. Return what object? The aura VFX object, right? And after you've done this, right? So VFX, no, the aura object should be no. Let's test this now. Let's test this. These things are coming together nicely. I just don't like that they're broken. But everything is coming along very nicely.
Water focus.
Okay. Then he's gonna juggle around. Juggle around. It's gonna then go only now. It's not going. There he goes. There you go. No. I think I know what's happening here. There we go. Here we go. Here we go now. Let's just see quickly. I'm going to ask that it doesn't show the other enemies. Because I think it's the other enemies that it's making the issue now. It's not technically the enemies' fault, but it's becoming an issue. So I'm just gonna put into me. Let me go to the sprite. So here's the script. There's nothing in this object. Just gonna see if he's gonna eat me. Okay, there he hit me. He's gonna go. There he went. Okay, so he's doing it even without enemies. Look, what the hell? Come on, bro. Now he spawned it again. No. What was that? You see now, this is a bug. Looks hella cool though, eh? Sucks because it's like it's not supposed to do this. It's not supposed to do this. So what happened? I think I know what happened. You called the animation too quickly. And then you wanted it on, but you called it too quickly. You have to wait. And then yeah. So yeah, wait, yeah. Okay. But again, it's that seeking nonsense. It's the seeking nonsense. I don't think that was the issue, it's that seeking nonsense. we need to fix the. I'm talking to myself in the third person. I need to fix the
Extraction is ready.
seeking nonsense. It's seeking. Like I'll show you now. Okay, and now look, it should retreat immediately, but it's gonna go back and forth, and then here we go, and then for some reason it lags. It does not move. Look here. So let me just report these bugs. Let me report these bugs. I'm gonna say
Sanctify them in the truth.
hunters
Your word is truth.
freeze
For their sake,
after
I sanctify.
hunters freeze after key
Sanctify
charge.
them in the truth.
Okay.
Your word is truth.
Okay.
For their sake, I sanctify.
It's not that it's bad because here it's doing the wrong things. This is a separate bug. This is a completely separate bug. What the hell is happening? Nothing's happening. Yeah, the race she should be detecting me. It should be detecting me. It's not detecting me. I wonder why. I wonder what's happening here. And in the animation. Okay, so what happened here? What happened? This happened, but so all of this happened. Okay, it said it is seeking. Okay, so I'm not gonna do anything about it. It's so okay. So let me just say it's the seeking bug. I just don't know what to call it. So let me just be specific. It's a seeking bug because of the animation. Okay, that's a big issue that I have to address sooner or later. I have other stuff that I have to do, so I can't do that now. Polishing. Where is this now? Okay, so I'm gonna have to go in here, and I just want to add in all of my notes quickly. Otherwise, I feel like I'm gonna forget. So the note from yesterday was what's going to happen when the enemy repositions an attack. I think it can happen. Above when retreating, it doesn't go to the retreat immediately. It jitters. So did I write that? Okay, but I have to say Brawl animation. Dante anime. Those two needs to be animated. And also, but that's something that I have to put in on I think the enemies. So I wanna say better pacing. I just like think more. That's why I'm used to. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This does happen. There's another bug, but I'll have to fix that bug. Okay, so I would say it says here that the goal should be that you should be able to see the energy system. I think you can clearly see it. There's visual feedback, and then you can feel the improvement, right? But only by this character. If I dare do it with anybody else, it's not gonna look good at all. For instance, if I do it with Dante, it's not gonna look good at all. And Dante has a lot of energy anyway. Look at that, all the energy, yes. He's gonna go down on me quickly. Ooh. So tired. I don't actually have a sound effects yet, so I have to get a sound effect. You see, it's jittering. What is it doing? You see now, also, what I don't like is that this enemy, like, he didn't get enough HP back. So my question now is, should they each have their own? They each have their own. Look at this guy. So what is he doing? And it comes to me. I have to seriously fix this. This is very bad. I don't like that at all. That's not enemy AI.
The word is truth. To the saints, I sanctify myself.
You see, look there, like, he didn't give himself enough energy.
Sanctify them in the truth.
I have to fix that as well.
Sanctify them in the truth.
Yo, I died, damn. Died just looking at this guy. So I have to finish those things. It's 12 o'clock now. which means the stream should be ending soon. I did do what I wanted. I guess tomorrow in the day I am going to work on
Psychic fight him in the truth. Psychic fight him in the truth.
I'm gonna create a sound effect. Let me just say yeah, because I want to create a sound effect. Let's just say yeah,
Psychic fight him in the truth.
I have to create a sound effect.
Psychic fight him in the truth. Psychic fight him in the truth. Your word is
Okay.
true.
And then that's it. I should fix this for tomorrow. So tomorrow in the day I'm gonna work on this. I'm finishing day 3, which is episode 22. Just gonna finish up the stuff. Finish it up, and then yeah, because I did what I wanted to. What I was supposed to. Yep. Tomorrow night I'm supposed to edit the other enemy, the Napa character. I'm supposed to fix him tomorrow, so I'm gonna do this tomorrow in the day. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna have to call it quits. I did not eat yet. I am hungry. I have to do some planning for tomorrow. I have to do a lot. I'm so hungry. It's about 12 o'clock. It's already Saturday by me. It's actually almost 1 o'clock. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Don't do anything stupid, because I want to see you guys tomorrow. Peace. I'm supposed to speak here. Don't do anything naughty. I'll see you tomorrow in the next stream. Catch you tomorrow on Super Warrior.